Now, excuse me, let's get... Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and by the video title I am sure you know what we are doing today. We are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Mine came in this thing. Yes, they're all in here. The last time, oh, I almost dropped it. The last time I got his mystery boxes, they all came separately. So I'm gonna open this because I have not opened any of these yet because I wanted to be surprised. I have not watched any reviews yet. The only thing I did see was the Twitter debacle about the flyer saying that cosmetic items, so he refunded everybody for the $20 mini box, which I ain't gonna complain. I wasn't even complaining with the box itself because it was 20 bucks and you got 2 lip products in it anyway. So what if he decided to throw stickers in it? But that's just my opinion. Everyone's entitled to their own opinions. You know what they say, opinions are like assholes, everybody's got one. So I have opened this said box and this is what it looks like inside so far. I am going to get rid of the paper, and we have the mini box, and we have the was this the premium? This is the premium, like I was right. And then we have the deluxe box. Okay, let's get into the mini box, the controversial box, which, okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. You take out the paper. Mine did not have 2 lipsticks like I have seen. I have, ooh, I wanted this one. This is his lip scrub in Lemon Sucker. I believe it is from the recent summer collection that I was not able to get yet. Anyway, this is the one that I wanted. I wanted to try them. I didn't get any of his lip scrubs. Oh my god. I didn't get any of them. Oh. It tastes amazing. You can eat them, by the way. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but they're safe to eat. I also got a liquid lipstick in the color 818, which I do own. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I am not going to swatch it. If I can get it out of the box without ripping the box, because I'll put it in a giveaway. This is the color 818. It's very, very, very pretty. And then the stickers. The controversial stickers. These are pretty. They're very pretty. I mean, tattoo stickers I've seen go for a lot depending on who drew them and whatnot, but I ain't mad about it. I like them. So that was the mini. Let's get into the premium. Okay, now let me look on this. I'm gonna give you a little bit more information because I probably should have done it before, but I'm so scatterbrained sometimes. The mini box had a $44 value. That was another reason why people were throwing a fit, because they're like, you're giving me 2 lip products and then stickers, and you're saying the stickers are so much. I personally don't give a flying fuck. So anyway, the deluxe box was, the mini box cost $20. The deluxe. The premium box is $60 and it's a $121 value. And then the deluxe box was $100 and it is a $205 value. So they, the flyer did say at least one exclusive mystery cosmetic item, which is the reason why he did give everybody a refund, because the stickers are not considered cosmetic. And he took full responsibility for it, and you know what? Yay, because at least some CEO does. Alright, Let's get into the premium. If I can get the box open, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I already see some really cool stuff in here. All right, I received another thing of stickers, so I'll put these in the giveaway too. Now, I do have a Skin Frost and Ice Cold, which I already own this, so I might put that in the skin. I think I'll put this in the giveaway as well. This is a gorgeous shade. I don't really want to open it, but I'll open it and show it to you. I just won't swatch it. They come at huge. They're huge pans. And that is the color Ice Cold. It is like a white color. It's very good for fair skin. Okay, on to the next item. I see something in there that I am like totally shitting my pants. I'll save it for last. The next item is the mystery lipstick. This, all it has on it is a little stocking with a question mark in it. Oh my god. That is stunning. Do I dare put it on? But I'm wearing lipstick. Let's do it on my hand real quick. Wow. You know what? I didn't shake it. Because I'm an idiot. That is gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm almost tempted to put it on over what I have on already, because I have a matte on. Fuck it. That's beautiful. I'm loving this color. Beautiful. All right. Well, that's not in the giveaway because I put it on the lips. The next item in this box is another lipstick, a liquid lip. This is in the shade Mermaid Blood. I do own this color as well, so that'll probably go in a future giveaway as well. Now, the next item in the box. Can you tell what it is? This is what it came wrapped in. If it is what I think it is, I cannot believe he stuck this in a mystery box. I own this already. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in a giveaway or if I'm gonna give it to one of my sisters for Christmas, and then I won't have to buy them a Christmas present because I've already paid for it. Oh, I'm torn because this palette is stunning. I mean, I did a review on it. I'll put the card right here. But, oh, how gorgeous are these colors? They're beautiful. I'm not touching them. I am closing it. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But we'll find out in a little while. Okay. That seems to be it for the deluxe box. I'm floored. I'm floored that he put that in there. I mean, the last set of boxes that he just released that I got, I'll put the card right there of the video. They came with the it was the Halloween boxes, and they came with the mini the mini breaker palette in them. But to have Blue Blood, which is $52 itself in that box, I'm floored. Okay, so here we are with the last box. This is the deluxe box. If I can get into it without stabbing myself. I don't know how he's gonna top that one, honestly. How do you top Blue Blood? Well, top it with a jacket. This is awesome. I love it. This is the back. I don't think there's anything on it. Then you got the sleeves. And then you have the front. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Premium Cosmetics Company 5-year anniversary. I love it. I love it. It's really cool. Now I do have one of his tracksuits that I got in the last set of boxes. I've already linked it, but I'll link it again. And I also have, excuse me, 2 of his sweatshirts, the tie-dye ones that I got. I love the way they feel. They are very good quality, stunning, they last. Okay, next item in this box is a Supreme Frost in Money Honey. I don't believe I have this. I don't have any of his Supreme Frosts unless I got them in a mystery box. Because I'm cheap like that. Oh, I think this is the one that I wanted. Sparkle to the max, bling bling, bitch. Shine bright like a lighthouse. Extreme payoff, vegan and cruelty free. Look at how pretty that is. It's gold and I love his Supreme Frost. I need to invest in more. I really want to try his Extreme Frost. Okay. Next item in the box is another straw. This one looks like a candy cane. It is so cute, and it comes with a little straw, a little cleaner. Okay, next item in the box is a lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick in the color Clout. I do already own this as well. It is stunning, as is the packaging. Absolutely stunning. So that'll go in a future giveaway. Then there's another color, another velour liquid lipstick in the color Soft Serve, which I already own as well. It is absolutely stunning as well. So I will put that in a future giveaway as well. And if I say as well one more time, feel free to shoot laser beams at me through the TV monitor or the computer monitor. Okay, another item in the box is another set of stickers. Then I received, I am pretty sure everyone knows what this is as well. This is the Thirsty palette, which I do own. It looks a little different, the packaging. I'll have to pull mine out and check it out, but I already own this as well. And this is what it looks like inside. I will not touch it because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to do a giveaway with this one as well or give it to one of my sisters for Christmas. All right, I loved it. This is the last item in this box, it seems. Yes, this is what I have been waiting for, because this is also exclusive. It is exclusive to this box, like the lip shade was exclusive to the other box. This also caused quite a bit of stir online as well. This is the Peppermint Frost Highlighter Palette. This is a one and done. It was for this box only, and apparently there was a bunch of issues with ordering. People were ordering, getting to the thing, paying their bill, getting a screen, a white screen that said, "Thank you for your order," and then they got an email saying that their order didn't go through. I did not get a white screen. I know that usually when you get the screen that says that it went through, it's not white with "thank you for your order." It's always like a picture. If I have it, I'll put it right here, what it looked like. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Anyway, what I was saying is that he was saying that since there was such an issue, he only asked a poll question, should he remake it and re-release it so everyone that didn't get it could get it, and people flew off the handle about that, and he said that people were telling him to go kill himself, and it was just crazy. But anyway, there is no mirror in this, but those are the colors. This ugly sweater color is so cute. I'm pretty sure that's just a topper. I'm pretty sure yeah, it is. Once you rub it off, you can see where I rubbed it right there. The color comes off. But that's ugly sweater with the red in it. And then we have Igloo Gold. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, Chocolate Ice does the same thing. The white rubs off. You can see right there. You can see right there where I rubbed it off. And then we have Chocolate Ice. It smells like peppermint. Doesn't taste like peppermint. But anyway, that is my last item in the big deluxe mystery box, and I tell you what, I'm not mad at it. I loved every item in every box. I don't know, like I said, what I'm gonna do with those two palettes, but other stuff will go in a future giveaway. So let me know down below if you got these boxes and which one you got and what you got in yours. And if you like the mystery box unboxings, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me, and hit the notification bell down below to let me know, and hit the notification bell down below so you know when I upload new videos. And yeah, I mean, this is a short and sweet video. I loved everything in these boxes. I don't mind them. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!